Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change a username on LinkedIn. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the bottom of your screen, you can see a few options like home, my network, post, notifications, and job. While on the top left corner, there's a name icon. Tap on it. Then below your username, there's view profile option. Select that. Once you tap on it, you can see there's a first edit pencil-like option. Tap on it. Now you can see they're gonna take you to edit intro homepage. There you can edit your first name or your last name. Also, you can add your additional names. There you can edit a lot of your details, including your username. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your username on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.